Hi guys, as a trad wife, this is how I take care of my family. You are welcome back to my page. So in today's video, I will be making okra soup for my family. We will be having okra for lunch today. For those of us who don't know what trad wife is also a housewife. We, the Gen Z generation, we don't want to be calling ourselves housewife, so we rename it to trad wife. That's by the way. Let's keep on moving with cooking our okra soup. Today's okra soup is not your regular okra soup. Like, this one is different. Do you guys know that soup that have bottom pot taste? That is the type of okra I want to cook now. When you are eating it, you'll be hearing the bottom pot taste. So let's cook it up. You guys know now, Hilda Basi no cook reach me. Who be Hilda Basi where I dey cook? So I start by washing my stock. I have already washed it and keep it in my freezer. So the only thing I do is just rinse it with water. Then I put it in my cooking pot, add salt, add my Maggi cubes and close my pot. Now it's time for me to cut the okra. Like I told you guys before, I want to cook different type of okra soup. So this one, I bet some of you might have not tasted. I just cut my okra into two because I am going to boil the okra for some minutes. A little minute is either 2 minutes. I just want to heat it up. While waiting for my okra and my livestock to cook, I will prepare my pepper mix. I will put pepper, crayfish, ogiri and ginger. I will blend it together. After blending it, I add it immediately in my stock in the pot I use in cooking my protein. I don't usually use ginger to cook okra soup, but as I have said in this beginning of this video, this soup is special, like it's special recipe. So watch and learn. At this point, I have to add my smoked fish because my protein, the meat I'm using for this soup, is already soft. So I need to start cooking the soup. At this time, my okra is ready. I will just add them, put them in my blender and blend the onion and the okra together. After blending it together, I will add it in my pot of soup immediately and make sure I turn it very well after adding it in my pot of soup. I know there are many ways to make okra, but try this way. Like, try making your okra this way and thank me later. So I started cutting my vegetable. This will be the vegetable I will use for this okra. I don't know what they are calling it, but what these people call it here is atakume. I don't know what they are calling it in Nigeria, or I don't know, sha. So that will be the vegetable I will be using. I just add my vegetable, turn it, and voila, the food is ready and serve. In case you decide to try this recipe, just tag me whenever you want to post your own videos. Or if you try it at home, when you see me, you say, babe, I tried out your recipe, and if it's good, you let me know. If it's not, you let me know. Thank you so much. And if you have also tried this recipe, let us know in the comment section, like if you like it or you did not like it. I will see you guys in my next video. Let me and my kids enjoy the meal. Bye.
Manu